Okay, here we are. We are at the dells of the Eau Claire River. We are considerably south and east of where most of our other stops have been on this trip. But these rocks are certainly associated with what we have, and there's some fantastic outcroppings as the Eau Claire River has carved this canyon through these rocks here. So let's go take a closer look at an outcrop here. Lovely, lovely spot. Okay. So some of the things that jump out very initially as you're looking at these rocks is you might notice that there is very clear foliation to these rocks. Okay. You should be thinking about what that might be a result of and how do we interpret that. Let's see, find a good spot to make some observations. This is pretty good. Okay. As we get up close, we will see that these rocks, they don't look sedimentary in nature. They look rather dense. Okay, I can focus. There we are. Okay, so as we look at these, the foliated nature of these rocks might suggest that they've been metamorphosed, and that's probably true. Okay, but as we look at these in composition, and we will look closer at these in the lab, you'll notice that these are rhyolitic in nature, okay, which would suggest that these rocks were volcanic, felsic volcanic nature. So one of the things to be thinking about is, and we'll turn off this video for a second, you can think about it for a little bit, but what kind of a system might lead to an igneous rock, a extrusive igneous felsic rock? Okay, so think about the tectonic setting that might be associated with that, and then also think about what kind of a setting might lead to this relatively low-grade metamorphism of these rocks. Okay, think about that. I will tell you that these rocks are Penokean in age, so on that order of about 1.8 or so billion years old. Okay.